Feeling like your hardest season was wasted? God wastes nothing. I'm Ashley, helping Christian women over 40 turn their stories into digital income through faith based online business. After losing our travel lifestyle, God used that pain to position me to help others build work from home income through the Legacy Builders. If you're looking for Christian business ideas, passive income strategies, or side hustles rooted in purpose, this message is for you. Have you ever felt like you've messed up God's plan? I'm Ashley. My husband and I lost everything, but God used that season to launch my own faith based business, helping women to learn how to make money online. First of all, subscribe and comment me too if you've ever felt like you've messed up God's plan also. My husband is a disabled veteran, and we sold everything so that we could travel full time. Then the money ran out because I didn't know how to make money from a camper. I totally thought that I messed up God's plan for our full-time life on the road journey. I was disappointed in myself. I thought that I would be able to find a way to make a living from our camper and to truly enjoy our lives. When I couldn't figure it out, we lost all of our money. So we had to settle down, find jobs, and start all over. This time we were 1,200 miles away from family. I felt defeated, I felt disappointed, and totally discouraged. So if you have ever felt like that as a Christian entrepreneur, go ahead and subscribe and comment me too. After we settled down in South Texas, there was one day I was sitting in my room and just praying to God and saying, man, what did I do wrong? I had tried all the things. I had 2 degrees, I tried moving across country, tried pyramid schemes, tried various jobs, tried everything, and I still felt like I was failing somewhere. But Romans 8:28 says, and we know that in all things, God works for the good of those who love him, even in the seasons that feel like failure in your faith-based business. When I joined the Legacy Builders to learn digital marketing and create passive income, I didn't realize he was setting me up for something so much bigger. When I started this, I didn't know what digital marketing was, and I thought I would just make like $1,000 extra a month, and I felt like that was a lot to ask for. Since starting this, I have seen that the world is so much bigger, and the possibilities with digital marketing are like beyond anything that I can fathom. Now, my goal is to get back on the road full time with my veteran husband, and we want to travel around the country and find the small local veteran nonprofits and help them donate to their cause with our time, with our money, with any other resources that we can find. That is our goal. With digital marketing, I can do this from the road. I don't have to be stuck like you are with a 9 to 5. The most amazing thing is that this program is now offered in English and Spanish. So our reach is so much broader, and we can help even more women. And now I see it. He was weaving the threads long before I even knew the pattern. This reminds me of the story of Ruth, right? She didn't see the full picture when she followed Naomi. She trusted God even when things seemed hopeless. Her obedience positioned her in the lineage of Jesus. God used ordinary decisions to bring extraordinary outcomes. So maybe you're in a season that feels wasted in your Christian business journey. It's not. God is using it to grow something in you that is needed for your next breakthrough. If you believe that as a faith-driven entrepreneur, comment, he's working. Girl, God doesn't waste your pain, your delay, or your detour. Keep showing up. Keep trusting. Keep walking in your calling as a woman in business. If you're ready to use your story to impact others, maybe even build income online with purpose through work from home opportunities, check out the free Freedom Blueprint that is linked below. And please subscribe and share this with somebody that might need this reminder today.